What is emergency management and what are the major phases involved in it? Hey everyone, I'm Shiva RP, your host of Security FII. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about what is emergency management and what are the major phases involved in it. You can describe emergency management as a formal process or a system put in place by an organization to preparing for and responding to various emergencies that it might encounter. There are 4 phases involved in emergency management. You can simply remember those by PR square. Those are prevention, preparedness, response and recovery. Phase 1, prevention. In this phase, an organization takes various measures to prevent emergencies from happening. But practically, it may not be possible. So, emergencies do occur. In that case, the organization has to reduce the impact. That is where this particular phase can also be called mitigation phase. For example, if emergency foreseen is fire, your building got to have fire resistant material, and all the structures of your buildings and facilities should be fire rated. Also, buying an insurance can be considered as preventive or mitigation measures. Phase 2, preparedness. In this phase, an organization will make all efforts in terms of planning, preparing, and how to respond to those incidents or actual emergencies by testing those plans. For example, developing an emergency operation plan, describing what are the emergencies in relevance to the organization and what action need to be taken during the emergency and who will take those actions and what is the sequence of those actions and who are all the stakeholders that needs to be informed. Also, testing those emergency plans either through in-conference tabletop exercises or full-scale mock drills which are similar to real-time incidents, or simply creating a list of resources that required during an emergency. All these activities can be part of preparedness. Phase 3, response. It generally happens immediately after the incident. Also, certain action that you take to respond to the incidents or during the incident. It is basically about implementing the plan that you have created and activating that emergency response plan and carrying out search and rescue operations. The objective here is taking actions to protect the life and property and supporting people who are surviving from the emergency. The success of organizational response depends on the preparedness level. If the organization did not prepare well, the response is going to be poor in the emergency. Phase 4, recovery. In this phase, the organization will take short-term and long-term efforts to bring back to pre-emergency conditions. So, how quickly it get back to BAU mode, business as usual mode, so that operation can run as it is. But sometimes it may not always possible coming to pre-emergency condition. So sometimes the organization has to operate completely at different level. During this phase, the organization may shift its employees to completely to a new different locations or set up various other activities to restore the operations back. Thanks for watching. I hope the information in the video useful. If you like it, share with your friends. If you have not subscribed to Security FII, subscribe now. In this channel, I'll share my insights in security and risk management. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.